Fusion, and that's where I got the chance to take a master class in sushi making with Chef Iverson.
I am so jealous. He is the guy to learn from, and he explains how he does every detail right, and how you can at home.
Today we're at back of house at Karma in Winchester, and Chef Iverson, you're gonna show me how to make a basic looking dish, but not as basic dish, sushi.
Yeah, so I'm very excited to have Kwani with us visiting our Karma in Winchester. So today we are gonna prepare one of our signature roll. It's called Salmon Lemon Basil. It's very delicious, have a lot of fresh ingredients in it.
But you're also gonna start with the rice itself, because the rice is very important when you're making sushi.
You get 100% correct. First step is like a cleaning. So the cleaning is very, very important.
Yeah. Do you wash the rice?
Yeah, you need to wash the rice, get off all the starch, and after it's a cooking process.
Okay.
So after we cook the rice, we gonna mixing with our homemade vinegar. This is called Iverson. So it's like aged vinegar. So it's more dark, it's more flavor, much more intense flavors. We pour a little bit, drizzle a little bit the seasoning over the rice.
Oh, so you put the seasoning afterwards?
Yes, we put the seasoning afterwards and then mix it up.
What's next?
So now we are ready to roll our maki roll.
Okay.
So get a bowl of the sushi rice, the size about like a baseball size. Use your hand.
What kind of baseball? Are we talking Major League or T-ball?
Yes. Oh, that's a perfect size.
Oh my God.
Yes. So this has got a stickiness. So you just stick like that.
Ah, and you pick up your own.
Yeah, very gentle. We start rolling from the upper left to the right.
Okay.
Gently use your finger
to pat it.
Spread out. Yes. Yep. Now it's all set. Then we flip it over. Just like that. This is the freshly cut the salmon.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, from the Scottish. We use the Faroe Island.
Smells fresh.
Yeah. All right. So we're gonna adding some ingredients. So here is the cucumber. Then we're gonna slice
avocado.
Yeah. Can I teach you how to slice
please.
it? Yes. So when you try to slice avocado, put the tips of the knife on the board.
On the board.
Yes. 1, 2.
Ah, that's a good tip.
Yes.
So you ground the knife on the board so you don't lose.
Yeah, so it's kind of like give you some points. So if you like some texture, just adding some our fresh made tempura crumb.
Ooh.
Just a
little crunch.
Yeah, a little crunch on it.
Tempura crumb.
As you can see, this is the nori paper starts shrinking because the temperature of the rice.
Yeah.
So we should start like rolling the roll now. So pick it up the bottom edge of it, just like tuck it in. Use the finger.
I feel like it's already falling apart.
Don't worry about it. You got me.
That's true.
Yeah. The next step, we're gonna place the topping on the top. So we got some sliced salmon.
Yeah.
So just like a place like a 45 degree.
Okay.
Yeah. Now they come to the cutting process. So you're gonna place gently on the sushi roll, squeeze, press, and push down. So we needed to cut in the center first.
Okay.
That's how we make sure this is the center.
Okay, let's taste the sushi.
Awesome. Let's dig in. Cheers.
That's so good. The lemon, the basil, well done.
All right, Kwani, my favorite part of that was him Chef telling you, well, you've got me.
Right. I needed the guidance. He claimed that he couldn't tell the difference between our two rolls, but his was definitely better.
I don't believe you. I don't believe him for a second.
Too nice.
But that looks delicious. And Chef Guo has 6 locations in Massachusetts, and you can find all of them if you just go to KarmaAsianFusion.com.